Look at that, people.
That's pretty, actually.
That is scary.
I'm used to it. I'm good.
You don't have to evacuate.
No.
No, there.
Hey, y'all get in here from get in trouble.
It's pretty.
Y'all sit
Pretty
up here.
ugly.
No, I'm used to this kind of weather.
Stop, bring your little son up here.
He said we gonna have to evacuate. We don't have to evacuate for a storm.
That's, well, it's probably they just want to keep us.
No, he's saying that. There's storms like this that come through here all the time.
Hey, y'all come in.
I'm close to the door already.